All these birds. It's been raining here for the last couple days. And they're all gathered around here. I don't think I've ever seen this many here. I don't know if they're going to take off flying or not. I have a late morning walk. Like I said, it's been raining here for the last, oh man, last couple days. Anyway, there they go. There they go. Well, they didn't go very far. Anyways, it's a wet day today. This is the most rain I've seen down here in a long time. Anyways, I'm just out trying to get in a morning walk, or a late morning walk. There's a few guys. Anyways, be blessed, my friends. Enjoy your day. Stay warm and dry. Peace be with you. Jesus loves you, my friends. Have a good one.